AI art is taking the world by storm, and the best part? You don't need to spend a dime to create stunning, professional quality images. Hey everyone, welcome back to the LearnUp. Today, I'm going to show you the top 5 free AI image generators you absolutely need to try in 2024. From realistic artwork to creative, quirky designs, these tools will blow your mind. So, whether you're an artist, a content creator, or just curious about the magic of AI, stay tuned, because these tools are game changers. Okay, so let's dive in. First up, we have OpenArt.ai. This platform is fantastic for both beginners and pros, thanks to its simple interface. First, you need to create an account. You can create an account with your Discord, Google, Twitter, and email. Once the account is created, you will see an interface like this. To create an image, first select the image style. Now select a model. Now enter a prompt which you want to generate. Below are some advanced settings that will take your photos to the max. Now select aspect ratio. There is one small problem that you need to know. The problem is that it's not 100% free. Here, each account will be given 40 credits with which you can create 40 images. But there is a trick that you can use to create unlimited images. If you want to create unlimited images, then definitely watch the video till the end. Okay, let's move to the next tool. Next on the list is Canva Magic Media. You may know Canva for design, but it also has a powerful AI image generator. To use it first, go to your Apps section. Now, just search by typing Magic Media here and you will find it. It's very easy to use. First enter your prompt, then select a style and finally the aspect ratio. Now click on the Generate button. This will make you 4 images each time. If you use a Canva free account, then you can generate images 50 times per month. And if you use Canva Pro, then you can create 500 times. If you don't have a Canva Pro account, you can watch the video by clicking the link in the video description and pinning the comment. After watching it, you can use Canva Pro for free. Okay, so let's move to the next tool. Coming in at number 3 is Craiyon, previously known as DALL-E Mini. This tool became really popular online for creating quick and quirky images. Craiyon is simple to use and allows you to generate multiple images based on just a prompt. First, enter a prompt. Select an image style. You can create image to image using the base image tool. Now select an image size and then hit the draw button. Here, you can generate images without creating an account. It is 100% free. Through it, you can create unlimited images for free. Okay, so let's move to the next tool. Now let's talk about the Magic Studio AI Art Generator. This tool is a great option for those looking to experiment with different artistic styles, from realistic to abstract. It has a clean interface and is great for generating high-quality images that look polished and professional. To use it, you first need to create an account through Google or Apple. Once the account is created, it will take you to this dashboard. From here, you need to go to the Tools section, and here you will get 2 options to create images. The first is AI Image Generator, and the second is AI Art Generator. You can create images through these two. If you use an AI Art Generator, you can create such images. Again, if you create images with AI Image Generator, you can create all kinds of images. It is easy to use. Here you can create 20 images with one account. If you want to create unlimited images, then definitely watch the video till the end. There will be a trick for you at the end of the video. Finally, we have Magic Hour's AI Image Generator. This tool focuses on creating beautiful high-resolution images perfect for design work or social media. It offers a lot of control over the output, so you can tailor the style to match your vision. The best part is that it is 100% free to use. You don't have to create an account here. From here, if you go to Products, you will see all their free tools, which are absolutely free. It is very easy to use. First, enter a prompt, then the aspect ratio, and finally click the Generate button. And wait, you will see a high-quality image created in front of you in a few seconds. Out of these 5 websites, this one seems to be the best to me. Let me know which one you liked in the comments. Among these websites that allow you to create limited images for free, to create unlimited images through that website, you need to use a temporary email. When the credit of one account runs out, log out of this account and create a new account with another temporary email. This way, you can create unlimited images. And that's a wrap on the top 5 free AI image generators you can start using today. Which one are you excited to try out first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the Learn Up, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest AI tools and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative,